Imagine living a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, and every dollar you earn has its own specific job. Sounds like an elusive dream? Not anymore. Welcome to the magical world of zero-based budgeting, a simple yet transformative approach that can turn your financial nightmares into tangible success stories. Whether you're struggling with mounting bills, unpredictable income, or just simply want to feel more in control of your spending habits, it's high time to make acquaintance with zero-based budgeting. No matter if you're barely making ends meet or sitting atop a sizable nest egg, whether you're single or supporting a family, no matter your age or income level, absolutely everyone can benefit from this game-changing method. So buckle up and get ready for some serious financial empowerment. What is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting isn't just another financial concept. It's a lifestyle change that enables you to completely reshape your relationship with money. At its core, it means starting from zero each month. Every income you anticipate being matched against an equivalent expense until there is nothing unaccounted, earning comprehensive control over your finances, penny by penny. The distinct element of zero-based budgeting is its thoroughness. Instead of using previous spending patterns as a base, every single expense must earn its place in the monthly budget anew. This offers not only an unparalleled vision of one's financial habits, but also underscores expenses whose benefits are less apparent or perhaps non-existent when placed under close examination. With zero-based budgeting, clarity and control over your finances are taken to a new level. A dollar left uncategorized is seen as a leakage in the system, shaping the perspective that every dollar matters. Benefits of zero-based budgeting. Unleashing the benefits of zero-based budgeting, let's peel back the layers. Every dollar you earn is a soldier in your financial army, each with a specific mission to fortify and expand your fiscal empire. This is exactly what zero-based budgeting offers. It gives each dollar a purpose, making idle cash an extinct concept. A chief benefit of zero-based budgeting is that it plugs any monetary leakages by forcing you to justify every single expense, thus realigning your spending habits toward only those things that truly add value to your life. Moreover, zero-based budgeting unlocks immense potential for achieving financial goals faster. When their roles are defined, our money soldiers work smarter, harder. Your budget becomes leaner and more efficient as every expense undergoes exhaustive scrutiny before earning its inclusion in the budget list. Think of it as trimming away excess fat from meat, leaving behind pure financial muscle power which propels you towards debt elimination, significant savings, or lucrative investments at lightning pace. How to implement zero-based budgeting. To plunge into the zero-based budgeting realm, it's crucial to start with a blank slate. Begin by outlining all your monthly income sources. Yes, every penny counts. Then categorize your expenses logically into needs and wants. The key is to allocate every dollar of income to a specific category until there's absolutely nothing left unaccounted for. Hence the term zero-based. Crucially, though, zero-based budgeting is not just about numbers, but also about regular reevaluations. It encourages an ongoing process of scrutinizing and justifying each expense, enabling you to curb unwarranted expenditures as they pop up in the coming months. Is that subscription still adding value? Do I need that extra coffee run? This continuous reflection prompts conscientious financial decisions, making zero-based budgeting less of a system, more of a personal finance revolution. Tips for tracking expenses. Now, on to the nitty-gritty of budgeting, tracking your expenses. This can feel like a vital puzzle piece that often goes missing. Not anymore. With the power of technology at our fingertips, you no longer need age-old pen and paper or complex spreadsheets. There are numerous apps available that simplify this process for you, which sync with your bank accounts to provide real-time insights into your spending habits. But technology isn't everything. While tracking software is convenient, it's also necessary to fine-tune personal awareness around spending behaviors. Make a habit of checking in with yourself before each purchase. Ask if it's a true necessity or just an impulsive desire. Your money behavior says more about you than you might realize. Get into the habit of keeping receipts and reviewing them against your statements regularly. These practices offer valuable lessons in financial mindfulness and self-control. Adjusting your zero-based budget. Embarking on the journey of zero-based budgeting often calls for continual adjustments. A month where your heating bill skyrockets or an unexpected car repair can throw a wrench into your perfectly planned budget. Yet this is not a sign that zero-based budgeting is failing, far from it. This flexible system acknowledges that each month may bring new and different expenses. Adjustments in your zero-based budget aren't failures, but opportunities to better understand your finances. Don't be disheartened by these changes. Instead, utilize them as chances to exercise control over every dollar you make while improving financial mindfulness. The process of fine-tuning where our money goes forces us to face our financial reality head-on, giving us a sense of empowerment rather than dread when it comes to managing our money. The goal isn't perfection, but knowledge and progress. So whenever you're adjusting figures in your zero-based budget, remember, you're taking strides towards mastering the art of personal finance control, overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Achieving financial empowerment through zero-based budgeting is akin to running a marathon. It requires diligent effort, mental grit, and an unwavering focus on the end goal. At times, you may face some steep slopes. Unexpected expenses or slow progress towards your financial objectives might tempt you to let discouragement set in. But there are strategies that can help. Firstly, never lose sight of your why. The reason behind your decision to adopt this budgeting method. Memories of past financial struggles or dreams of future security can both serve as potent motivators. Inject short-term targets into your plan as checkpoints along the journey. These provide more immediate satisfaction than long-term goals alone, and reaffirm that every dollar saved brings you one step closer to success. So remind yourself regularly, when it comes to overcoming challenges with your budgets, persistence will always trump perfection. Conclusion: taking charge of your finances. In conclusion, taking charge of your finances is more than just a strategy. It's about developing a new way of life. Embracing zero-based budgeting might initially require substantial effort and discipline, but the payoff is tremendous clarity about where your money's going and a potent tool to guide financial decision-making. Remember, every dollar has a purpose in this system. This approach puts you squarely in the driver's seat of your financial future, offering autonomy like never before. No longer must you wonder where your money went at the end of the month. Instead, you'll dictate its path from the onset. And here lies power, the power to shape your financial journey exactly how you envision it.